Now, one affordable product is available to solve all three types of serious indoor air contamination. Sun Pure catalytic air purifiers reduce particulates by up to 97% using high-efficiency electrostatic particle filters. Sun Pure catalytic air purifiers reduce VOCs, chemical fumes and odors, by up to 90% or more using titanium photocatalytic technology, and reduce disease-causing microorganisms by using non-ozone-producing germicidal ultraviolet technology. Sun Pure systems have built-in and remote-mounted electronic service panels to alert the user when it's time for filter and UV lamp replacement. Here's how it works. Return air enters through a MERV 11 or HEPA filter to reduce particles as small as 0.3 microns. Dual, full-length germicidal ultraviolet lamps using concentrating aluminum reflectors focus ultraviolet light on 100% of all returning air to kill airborne germs. Over 70 square feet of titanium photocatalytic surface area oxidize chemicals and odors to benign water vapor and harmless carbon dioxide. The early development of photocatalytic technology was sponsored by the Department of Defense in conjunction with Sandia Laboratories and the Renewable Energy Laboratory. Their objective was to develop a means of decontaminating underground water and removing VOCs from the environment. Working on the same principle as an automotive catalytic converter, air pollutants are attracted to the surface of the titanium catalyst by adsorption. In the presence of ultraviolet light, oxygen in the air breaks down the organic pollutant into water vapor and carbon dioxide. Ethyl alcohol, an example of a volatile organic hydrocarbon, consists of 2 carbon atoms, 5 hydrogen atoms, and 1 hydroxyl radical. The catalytic reaction breaks the carbon bonds and oxidizes the carbon to carbon dioxide and the hydrogen to water. Infrared photography shows this process at work. The titanium grid on the left shows no increase in temperature in the presence of clean air. The same titanium grid on the right shows an immediate elevation in temperature while in the process of burning off noxious carbon monoxide. To demonstrate how effectively the Sun Pure patented photocatalytic technology can clean air of unwanted airborne chemicals, organic red dye was tested for decomposition in this ultraviolet test chamber. Here, the bottom half of an aluminum panel was coated with titanium. The top half remained bare aluminum. Next, the panel was coated with red dye and placed under ultraviolet light. After 18 hours, the red dye was completely decomposed, except for the dye remaining on the bare aluminum surface. In addition to in-house testing, Sun Pure products are retested by accredited outside laboratories to assure performance and efficiency. Here, Southwest Research Laboratories, located in Houston, Texas, conducted tests to verify the ability of the titanium photocatalyst to destroy complex hydrocarbons. The Sun Pure photocatalytic system is effective against a wide range of toxic chemicals, including carbon monoxide or most any airborne contaminant that can be oxidized or reduced. Truesdale Laboratories, accredited by both the EPA and FDA, tested filters for particle removal efficiency and for UV exposure safety. Real-world testing conducted by the Hong Kong Polytechnic University Department of Indoor Air Quality demonstrated that the Sun Pure induct system reduced VOCs, or volatile organic hydrocarbons, by up to 90% in 2 hours and reduced bacteria below the level of detection in 2.5 hours. During the SARS epidemic, over 1,700 Sun Pure systems were sold to major hospitals, government offices, and educational facilities in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and China. Sun Pure air purifiers have been tested to UL standards and carry the ETL listing for the USA, the CSA listing for Canada, the CE listing for Europe, and the JET listing for Japan. In addition, these products have been awarded over 6 patents from the United States Patent Office. Recently, Sun Pure catalytic air purifiers received the ASHRAE Innovation Award for 2005. A panel of 6 judges appointed by ASHRAE because of their special knowledge has found Sun Pure to be worthy of this special recognition. Total air purification is available in the portable SP20C for homes, apartments, condos, offices, medical clinics, or any application where central air handling is not available or cost-effective. This Pasadena, California yoga studio presented unique indoor air quality challenges with a capacity of 96 people in a room heated to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The owner wished to provide hypoallergenic, odor-free air and prevent the possible spread of common colds and influenza. The owner chose the SP200 duct-mounted catalytic air purifier, a product designed for people who are serious about indoor air quality. A 5-ton high-velocity air handler and hydronic heating coil provide the necessary heat. Capable of handling all 3 classes of indoor air contamination, the Sun Pure technology is well suited to residential needs. Here, a 5-ton low-velocity air handler delivers clean air to a 2,800 square foot home. The remote-mounted electronic service panel alerts the homeowner when it's time to change the filter and UV lamps. Affordability, low maintenance, long service life, and self-cleaning technology make Sun Pure products a perfect match for public facilities. Here, an SP200 is installed on a 5-ton horizontal HVAC system. Filter replacement is required every 6 months, and UV lamps are replaced once per year. The titanium photocatalytic panel is self-cleaning, and after 4 years of in-field service has never needed to be replaced. Combined PCO technology can be used on any HVAC system. Over 6,000 Sun Pure catalytic air purifiers are in use today worldwide and available in 120 and 220 volts. Add up these features of the SP200 catalytic air purifier and compare to any other product. 4-inch MERV 11 electrostatic particle filtration, dual 25-inch full-length germicidal UV lamps and concentrating aluminum reflectors for germ-free air, 70 square feet of titanium photocatalyst for chemical fume and odor reduction, remote-mounted electronic service indicator. Compare these features of the SP20C for one of the most powerful, portable air purifiers available today. A low-noise, motorized impeller with sealed ball bearings rated at 15 years service life. 5.0 micron pre-filter, multiple gas absorption media, HEPA filtration, UV air disinfection, titanium photocatalytic chemical and odor reduction, money-saving automatic regulation of unit by chemical and infrared sensors. Conclusion: one thing in life is certain. Pollution is not going away anytime soon, and breathing dirty air is not healthy. But you can protect yourself, your family, and your employees. Let Sun Pure make the difference. Your indoor air problems can be solved.